Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you are all safe at your home. Okay, today I am here once again to teach you your English lessons. Today we are going to learn about beauty. You all know what is beauty. All of us want to look beautiful, and we like to enjoy the beauty of beauty things. Beauty in nature, beauty in animals, beauty of different colors, beautiful people and beautiful portrait, everything, whatever beauty, we like to enjoy that. Beauty lies in many things. Okay? So, today we are going to learn about the poem Beauty. See, and it is written by E.A. Shur. Okay, so beauty is, we can see the beautiful flowers, different colors of flowers. When you see that, you will feel like going to them and take them, catch them, and butterflies, birds, and the people also. When we admire beautiful people, and some people like to draw things, and beautiful paintings, beautiful portraits, and beautiful dresses, everything in the world. Okay. Also, God has written in the Holy Bible, it is written, whatever God has created in the world, after the creation, He finds that everything is beautiful. Okay, so God has done everything beautiful. But we people sometimes make it ugly due to our bad behaviors, our selfishness, our hatred, and all these things make the things ugly. I'm not going too much in that way because I think now the situation we are going on, the pandemic we are going on, maybe I believe maybe because of our own evil ways, whatever we have done to the nature, because of our selfishness, we misuse the nature, misuse the people, misuse the God's other creations. We killed many things in the nature, and maybe due to that, now we are going through this pandemic. We have to repent. It's not our poem. Okay, yes, I have just gone away from the poem. So, the poem is like, I'll read the stanza by poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. Okay, when there is sunlight, we can see many things. If there is darkness, we won't be able to see anything. That means darkness, light, sunlight is light, and darkness is evil. So, when we are free, when our heart is beautiful, when we have no hatred towards anybody, when we are selfless people, when we are ready to do anything for our people, when we love others, so we are in the light. We are in the light of the world. But when the other things comes, or the crooked ways, we want to cheat others, we want to amass wealth through selfishness, that is darkness, then we cannot see any good in others. That is, the poet is telling, beauty is seen in the sunlight. The trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Corn, what is corn? You might have seen that. Golden color grain. We can boil it and eat, and we can roast it and eat, and you can bite and eat like that. That is corn. Have you seen the cornfield? But I was happy, I was fortunate to see the cornfields. I was in North India, so I was fortunate to see the cornfields. And it is just like, you just think about our paddy fields. Our paddy fields, when it is ripe, it looks very golden color, no golden, no? So, when the paddy fields are complete, the full harvest is there, the paddy fields are fruitful, when the paddies comes and when it is ripe, the farmers, they will be enjoying, they will be dancing, they will making merry making, and they will, when they cut the harvest, they will sing and enjoy. So like that, the poet is telling, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Then all the people will come together to reap the harvest. Reap, R-E-A-P, reap. Reap, to cut or collect. Collect the harvest. Okay, reap, that means to collect, to gather or collect the harvest. That is, people come together, they are all in one mind. No, they are united together, no differentiation. Everybody's mind, they want to enjoy their hard work, what they have done for the many months. They were after this paddy or after this corn to get the fruit out of it. Now it is a time, come all of us, come, let's go and reap the harvest. So people come together to cut and they will be dancing and enjoying. Beauty is heard. We can hear beauty. Not only by seeing, we can hear also. How can you hear the beauty? You can hear beauty when you hear beautiful music. People, those who sing very melodiously, will say, oh, beautiful song. Okay. And when we hear the hymns from the church, from the temple, from the mosque or whatever it may be, when he hear the hymns beautifully, when people sing, oh, beautiful hymn, just we can praise God. So we can hear the beauty also. We can hear the beauty. In the night, we can hear the beauty in the night. How can you hear the beauty in the night? You can hear the soft breeze of the wind, soft breeze. And you can see the fireflies. They will be murmuring, fireflies. When they come together, you can hear very mild noise of it that we can hear. And wind sighing, rain falling. At night we can hear the sound of the wind and the pouring down of the rain. That also we can just enjoy. That is, we are hearing the beauty. Now, or a singer chanting anything in earnest, or a singer, we all know that whenever we hear a beautiful song, we will listen to it. Oh, it's very good. So, when a singer chanting or singing, then anything with earnest. So, that is what beauty lies. Now, beauty is in yourself. Where lies the beauty? The beauty lies in yourself. Okay? Beauty lies in yourself. If you are pure of heart, if you have no crookedness, no evil inside your mind, inside your heart, if you want to love everybody, if you want to share your things with others, if you want to cooperate with your friends, that means your heart is pure. So beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts. What are the things in yourself? Good deeds. When we do good things for others, that is good deeds. Suppose one of your friend lost a pen and she was struggling. When she has to write the notes, she was struggling. Then you are offering a pen. So your good deeds. And another person who cannot understand the problems of the man's, and you are helping. You are helping her to solve that problem. So that is good deeds. You are helping your grandparents. You are reading out news for them. Your good deeds. So beauty is in yourself. How is it? Good deeds, happy thoughts. Okay. That repeat themselves when we do good to others. That will repeat to ourselves also. If we do good, it will come to ourselves. See, just when we look at the mirror, we can see our own figure on that, our own image of that. If we smile, it will smile at us. If we show some grimaces, it will repeat. So like that, if we do good things to others, the good things will repeat. It will come towards us. Okay, that repeat themselves in your dreams. When? In your dreams. Some people used to get good dreams. Angels are coming, singing, and beautiful birds are flying, and you are in the midst of a garden. Some children used to get such type of dreams because they are innocent children. They are pure of heart. So at bedtime also, during their sleep also, the good things are following them. Whereas some people think crooked ways, how to cheat that person, how to get all the good things from that person. Like that, very narrow-minded people. During their sleep, they will be screaming. They will get some fearful, frightful dreams. So they will scream. So it repeats. That repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Not only in your sleep, when you work. When you work also, if you do good things, others also. If you are in any problem, others will come. Because they will think that this person has helped me many times. So it is my turn to pull her or push her out of this trouble. So we will get many hands around us to help us. And even in your rest. Not only in our work, not only in our sleep, but even when we rest also, the good things will follow us. That is the beauty. So if you want to see the beauty in others, in another creation of the God, we should be pure of heart. We always show smiling face, always ready to help whatever we can, not more than that. We cannot help others financially, but in other ways we can help. One of your friend is very sad, unhappy, some problems. You can ask her, what is your problem? And console her. Okay, that is the way. So be good, then you can see the beauty and the goodness in everything. So in this lesson, I want to teach you one thing, not one thing, two main things I want to teach you. That is, first sentence you see, all of you read. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty lies. Where is beauty? Beauty lies means beauty is in such and such things. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. That means beholder means one who looks at many things. If you are good at heart, we can see the goodness in everything. If you are not, our heart is not pure, we cannot see the goodness. Always we want to see the bad side of many things, bad side of the people. And we used to always complain. We should not be like that. If God has created everybody, everything good. So you don't consider anybody lower than us. Don't try to find out some good things. Some people may be very bad, but even then we have to find out some goodness will be there. So if we try to do like that, of course we will be at the right side of God, and we will be one of His beautiful creation also. So you have to Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beholder means we have to see the goodness in others. If you always see bad in others, we cannot find beauty. Okay, that is the first sentence. Next one. As you sow, so shall you reap. What do you mean by sow? S-O-W, sow. What do you mean by sow? Sow, spreading seeds for harvesting paddy things, and you are putting chili seeds. You are putting green gum seeds for making the saplings. So that is, as you sow, putting seeds. As you sow, so shall you reap. If you sow good seeds, good saplings will come out, and you will have a better harvest. That is what? As you sow, so shall you reap. Okay, these are the two main things you have to remember in mind. That is, whatever we do, if we do good, we will reap the good things from others. If we do bad to others, the same will return to us. So, my dear students, always try to see the beauty in others. Okay, and also be thankful to the best, the Creator. He had given many things for us. That is all beauty. So we have to see the beauty in others. Okay, read the poem many times thoroughly and understand. Okay, bye.